fact that calculus deals with contemporary technologies is a huge benefit too. It interests in measuring an area accurately. Road and housing construction both benefit greatly from it. Calculus is very useful especially in the medical field, like with taking medication. There is recommended doses that is based on the individual's age and body type to prevent overdosing, along with helping with driving. It also assists when a car is traveling at a distinct road and needs to slow down. Calculus is crucial to other people like since it can be used for so many different things.